Robberies on the campus of the University of the West Indies, Mona, have forced administrators to outline a number of changes to its security policy. As we hear in this report, a recent robbery left one student injured. Screams from Monday's incident in which a female student was severely cut with a knife while being robbed.
I'm trying to decide if we have guards or if we have watchmen.
At a joint hall meeting on Thursday, the new head of campus security, Norman Haywood, admitted there were challenges, even though the campus police were quick on the scene.
The car that person was traveling in, two of them, that car got off campus because there was a gap in the communication between where it happened and the post office gate where the car exited.
Since then, security personnel have been redeployed. There's also a new policy for motorcycles entering the campus of the UWI.
We have instituted a system where you're going to see motorcycle will have to enter and leave through one gate. And all motorcycle, with the exception of students who ride or staff members, will be subjected to search. So any motorcycle entering campus will have to enter through the post office gate and leave through the post office gate, and we're going to be searching them before they leave.
Mr. Haywood adds that patrols will be increased and lighting fixtures erected in dark areas. As for the young lady injured during the incident on Monday night, she underwent surgery. She's expected to regain up to 80% use of her hand after recovery and therapy.